I'm getting a sunburn just taking this video, you guys. It is scorching today. Hello, what's up everyone? Shelly and I are going to give you guys a little bit of a review of all of our parts for the Scout series here. We're gonna make it quick, we're gonna make it sassy, we're gonna make it classy. Speaking of classy, we're gonna give you kind of our classic look to the Scouts with a handful of parts here. We're gonna start with our nice flare and our flare wings. It comes in a full kit. It does kind of mock up to your already brackets that are on the Scout. Very quick, very simple. 3 sets here. You got the 2 wings down at the bottom, and then you got the full windshield. It comes in the clear and the tint. Very easy to make that Scout just a little bit better as far as riding and the look to make it a little more classic style. The next part we have here is going to be the clip hanger handlebars. There are different variations. You got the chrome on chrome or the black on black, meaning you got this nice little clamp here, the knuckle, and then you got the bars. Chrome, chrome. Again, you can do the black and black. We have the 5-inch or 10-inch. What's nice about these is that they are adjustable and it's simple. Very simple. 3 bolts here where you can adjust it in, you can adjust it out. Let me show you this. Let me show you here. So here would be kind of pretty standard. You can bring it in. Brian always taught me a technique, and Randy, who used to work here, that you just close your eyes, you kind of feel where it's at, and then you adjust to it. So obviously this is where I'm at because it's natural. When I close my eyes, I kind of slump back. I'd want it back a couple inches. Easy, easy peasy, right? We are gonna go down to the taillight kit that we have here. Shelly didn't want to be in on it, but this is where I'm going to pull Shelly because I feel like he might know a little bit more about this whole setup.
Our classic taillight kit takes a 1932 Ford taillight and puts it on the back of your Scout to give it a nice classic look.
Love it. So we're going to go back up to the front of the bike here. We're going to keep this whole look by showing you the classic front fender. We do have 3 fender options. We will show you throughout these series. Again, we're going to stick with the classic look today. So we're going to show you our classic front fender. Look at this beauty. All of our fenders are 14 gauge stamped steel. Our painters love our fenders. Love, love, love. Easy to paint. Half of our dealers and partners have them on hand right there, easy. Shelton is also going to be taking all of these part numbers throughout these videos to make it as simple as it can be as a shopping experience. Okay, next we're going to go on to the phone mount. Because we have the clip hangers on, we have the perch mount. We do have an ambidextrous mount. We will show you that when we pop in either my Princess or my Outrider. You will know what those names mean when we get to those bikes. But I'm going to show you the perch mount. This is a chrome one. You got this on the back. You adjust it into place so it kind of locks in, and that's how that works. We do have a tether that does come with our outdoor phone mounts, so you can wrap the tether around that or around your mirror, whatever makes you more comfortable, and then slap it on there. So if at any point you didn't feel like it was secured and you thought it was going to drop off, which takes a lot for it to actually do that, it would dangle down below. I am a crazy driver and I have never lost a phone. We are good there. And it is, watch how hard it is to kind of get off. It takes a little bit. Shelly, you've had issues?
No.
We drive like maniacs.
Yeah.
Brian doesn't like that he can actually insure us because we drive like maniacs. So we do have this nice floorboard kit. So with this kit, this is where it kind of gets a little tricky, but yet not that tricky because we tag all of this for you guys. It does come with 2 different parts. We actually only sell the mounting bracket itself. Shelly, come on in here. Come on in here and show the people. This is the mounting bracket below. Down here, pretty easy to install, goes right into where you took out the stock foot peg. We just don't sell the actual floorboard itself. That does come from Indian, but we will tag it in this video and we also tag it on our website. So we just have the mounting bracket, not the floorboard itself. But again, not that complicated. This just adds another classic look and allows more comfortability for long distance driving. Whatever you need. Some people aren't comfortable with just that small foot peg that it comes with stock wise. So this just kind of allows that full comfortability. As you can see, looks comfortable, doesn't it? Don't I just look comfy? We showed you a handful of parts that are extremely easy to put onto the bike, take off the bike if you ever wanted to as well, to just add a nice classic, comfortable look to your motorcycle. In the Scout series with Shelly and Karlee.